How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on British pound versus the Japanese yen. As you can see, today, Wednesday, we got a sell-off. We got that new daily candle already open for Thursday. This looks like a buy signal to me. This looks like a classic Larry Williams smash day candle. If you are familiar with his teachings in his book, Long-Term Secrets of Short-Term Trading, this candle closes below several daily lows. It's also in a discounted range. So let's say we took this low to this high. Let's just pull out a fib for you real quick. This high to this low. You can see it's below 50% or equilibrium, so it's in a discounted portion. It's also a down close. So most people will look at that, retail traders would look at that as a sell signal, continuing to sell off, right? Price action is falling out of the sky. However, this could be a turning point, right? This could be a bottom or a swing low. Many of the times when you see smash signals, for the buy signal at least, it's a part of the swing point. So 1, 2, 3, this could be the swing point, the swing low. This might be a higher low on the right and a higher low on the left. I normally would be in long already, but just to be more confident in the idea, I'm going to use a buy stop order, buying on strength, buy stop order. I want to buy on strength here. I used to show ideas where price is going down. The next day you would buy with a buy limit order. So price going down on weakness, buy limit order. Put this on the bottom, right? Buying on weakness. Unless I got this backwards, but I would be using the order in general, order stop, to get into the market when price gets up here. It's still below discount, right? The opening price. I would like to see at least some type of retracement because we're definitely due for a lower swing high. If this is not truly a false break and it's still a bearish momentum, I do think there's going to be some type of retracement. And this could be an opportunity for me to catch that retracement, to catch probably a lower swing high into this PD array up here, and price probably continuing to sell back down. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Now, again, this is the high of the month. This is exactly the same idea that I'm showing here, but inverse. This is a smash candle sell idea, right? The candle closes above. Look how many highs it closes above. Price the next day sells off, and you can either go short on that candle's high or short on that candle's low, or open and close, either way, right? Whatever you prefer. And here is basically where you would look to go long. So I'm going to wait to confirm this swing point. I want to see price push up. Maybe intraday. Let's see if there's any news events. I believe there's probably some news events tomorrow. Maybe not for British pound per se, or maybe not even yen, but maybe USD news or Euro news might impact this currency pair as well. I want to see if it pushes up. Maybe intraday tomorrow when we do the live session with the group, we'll try to see if we can find some long ideas because we're really in a discounted opportunity here. I want to see if the yen crosses are going to pick back up pace, possibly. If you take a look at the DXY, DXY is showing signs that it wants to push higher too. It failed to break that IPTA 20-day low here. Price created a swing low right here. This is also smash candle theory here. Price is still going up. Price traded down into that fair value gap today off of that news. We're going to see what that next daily candle is going to do. See if it's going to push up. We're threading the needle, right? Threading the line of the opening price of September. I want to see if it's going to push up and probably get back to this old 40-day low here and try to see if we get signs to stay above that and potentially reach for the 20-day high. There's some relatively equal highs up here as well. So we'll see, right? Not trying to force the market, but just trying to anticipate, okay, are we going to get strength back into the DXY, or is the DXY going to consolidate for the rest of this month? If it does do that, it will be difficult to find a swing idea or a long idea maybe for the yen, because it might impact if dollar is going to move sideways, there's a chance, right? There's a possibility yen crosses might move sideways as well or not be as volatile to the upside and projecting up. If we take a look at the yen, yen is probably showing signs of selling down. Let me see if it ran that high. Yes, it did. So it just ran buy side here. Let's see if we get that sell off already today. Well, on this new daily candle, it's still Wednesday, but technically the Thursday candle is open. Just opened a couple hours ago. Let's see if this is going to sell off now and see price pull back down somehow, right? Get back down to this swing low per se, or even this fair value gap or volume imbalance. Let's just take a brief look at all the other yen crosses, right? So we can get a full picture idea, right? Into market analysis. We got a swing low. It looks like it's confirmed already. 1, 2, 3. So this could be a new bottom and a new idea for a price to probably make a new leg up. So I like that. Same thing here for UJ. UJ pushed up after that news drop, pushed right back up during London close. AJ so as well, confirming a swing low. I like that. NJ smash candle idea too here, right? Closing, down close. If price gets back up here, it's gonna make a swing point here. What else we got? EJ, same thing, already gone, right? If you had to buy, you buy at that candle's close and open, or even at the candle's high, and it's pushing up. Swiss J has a larger candle to tackle here. We'll probably see it get back up there in the next couple of days, or even in this day too, right? Thursday, tomorrow, it might even continue to push up. Might be a large candle down or a large candle back up, like quick repricing back up dynamic. And just to sum it back up, right, to bring it back home, I'm only looking for a buy signal because since simply we're below September's opening price and we have a down close idea, buying after a down idea is typically going to be your best pinnacle idea because it's cheaper, and buying after a down day puts the market in a discount, and you're looking for higher price action if you're a buyer. It's always better to buy after a down day. Hopefully you found this insightful. We'll see what price unfolds. If I had to set up the parameters, it would look something along the lines like this. You would go long here, right? We would risk 1 to 2%. I'm going to look for the most recent swing low. We'll say like this low here because it's going to be a swing. Or we would take this one down here. This one's a little too further out of my reach or range of how much I would possibly want to risk. I would probably go for this low here instead. Then this low would be where I would place my stop loss here. And I'll be looking for price to push back up into this or possibly back up to the opening price or either back up to the high of the month. So we'll see how that plays out. But we're not there yet. So we'll wait. And we'll keep this here because this is a pending order. Once we get there, then we'll trigger ourselves long. Hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.